Hello everyone! My name's Anna. On my YouTube channel, I'll do my best to teach you English in English. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment after watching the video. Today in the video, you'll learn how to speak about your appearance. That means you'll be able to speak about your face, your height, build and hair. So, what are some general words that we use to speak about our height? Let's consider some examples. Jill is about 160 centimeters. We can say that Jill is short. Sam is about 2 meters. Sam is quite tall. So, we can use short and tall to speak about our height. We use the structure I am, you are, he is, she is, we are, they are to talk about height. I am tall. He is short. What are some words that we can use to talk about someone's build? Let's have a look at some examples. Jane is about 150 centimeters. She's short and she's about 80 kilos. So Jane is a bit overweight. Overweight is the word that we can use to talk about Jane. In addition to overweight, we can use such words as plump or stout. Plump, stout, overweight. Please try to avoid using the word fat when speaking about someone's build, because it can be quite offensive. If a person does exercises regularly and he goes to the gym, so we can say that he is well built or muscular. Jack goes to the gym 3 times a week, and in addition, he does some exercises at home in the mornings. So he's well built. So and again we use I am, he is, we are, well built or muscular. If a person doesn't have a proper diet, he doesn't eat well, so he can become quite skinny. Skinny is a bit negative word that we can use if someone doesn't have enough weight. If a person is about 2 meters and weighs only 40 kilos, we can say that he is or she is skinny. We use the word slim to say that someone has a good figure. I have a nice figure. I'm neither overweight nor skinny. Are you overweight, plump or stout? Is your friend skinny, slim or well built? What are some words we can use to talk about hair? Look, she's got short hair. And this girl has got long hair. Be careful with the word long. We don't use tall to talk about hair. Tall is about our height. Long is about our hair. I have got long hair. He has got short hair. Let's consider some other examples. She has got curly hair, and this girl has got wavy hair. I have got straight hair. My hair isn't curly and isn't wavy, straight. Is your hair straight, wavy or curly? Is it long or short? Look at this guy. He hasn't got any hair. He's bald. Are you bald? Do you know anyone who is bald? So, we use the construction I've got, I have got, he's got, he has got to speak about our hair. I've got straight hair. She's got long hair. How would you describe somebody's face? Look at this girl. She's got a thin face. And this girl has got a round face. I've got a round face. What about you? What do men usually have on their face? This man has a beard. He's got a short beard. So we use have got to describe our face and the things that we have on it. And this man has got a mustache. Have you got a mustache? Or has your friend got a mustache? Have you got a beard on your face? Or has your friend got a beard on his face? Now let's look at some women's faces. This woman has some wrinkles, but she's really attractive. And this woman has some freckles on her face, and she's really attractive too. Use the structure I've got, he's got, she's got, they've got to speak about the things people have on their face. So let's sum up everything that we've studied today in the video. First of all, we've learned how to speak about someone's height and build. We use such words as short, tall, and the structure I am, we are, he is, she is. I am short, they are tall. The words that we use to speak about someone's build are overweight, that is plump or stout. We avoid using fat when speaking about someone's build. We are overweight a bit. She is plump a bit. Try to be more polite when speaking about someone's weight. Skinny, that has a negative meaning, and slim, that has a positive meaning and means that you have a nice figure. Well-built or muscular, if the person does exercises regularly. Let's remember the words that we use to describe our hair. Short and long, curly, wavy or straight. I've got long dark hair. He's got short dark hair. So we use have got, has got to speak about hair. If somebody doesn't have hair at all, we can say that he's bald. To describe a face, we can use the word thin or round. I've got a round face. He's got a thin face. Let's remember some words that we can use to speak about the things that we have on our face. Some men generally have a beard and a mustache on their face. Do you have a beard and a mustache? We can have some wrinkles and some freckles on our face. Do you have any wrinkles or freckles on your face? If you have any questions, please share them in the comments. Hope that you've enjoyed this video. See you soon!